Grade 11 math is so much harder than you remember. Let's see if you can try this problem out. Okay, so the question gives us cosecant beta equals 2, and our goal is to solve this expression exactly, which means leave it in root form or fraction form. So cosecant beta is the reciprocal of sine. So really this fact here tells me that sine beta equals 1 over 2 because it's the reciprocal. Now, sine is equal to y over r. So right now, I don't know what x is. I know that y is 1, and I know that r is 2. So our goal is really to solve for x, because then I can find out what tan is. And as you can see in my expression, I need tan, I need secant, and I already have what sine equals. So my soft goal right now is to figure out what tan is, and tan is equal to y over x. Well, we have this formula here. It's the Pythagorean formula that combines all of our three letters together. So let's use that to solve for x. The formula is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. I already know y is 1 and I know r is 2. So I can go x squared plus 1 squared equals 2 squared. I'm just going to solve everything I can. 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. Bring the 1 over by subtracting by 1 on both sides. I have x squared equals 3, square root both sides, and I figure out that x equals the square root of 3. Technically, it's the plus or minus version, but we're just going to assume it's positive here. So now I know x is really the square root of 3. That allows me to write down what tan is. So far I have sine beta equals 1 over 2. I have tan beta equals y over x, so 1 over root 3. I'm not going to rationalize this right now, but if I needed to, I would. Now the last piece of the puzzle is figuring out what secant is. Secant beta is the reciprocal of cos, and cos is really x over r, so therefore secant is r over x. R is 2, and x is square root of 3. Again, I'm not rationalizing this right now. We have all the information we need. Let's plug it into this expression and get an answer. Okay, so the problem is tan beta over secant beta minus sine squared beta. I'm just going to plug in everything I have right now using brackets. So this expression is equal to 1 over root 3. We're going to use the division symbol because I'd hate to see a fraction over a fraction. So it's tan divided by secant. Secant is 2 over root 3 minus, in brackets, sine squared. 1 over 2 squared. And we're going to solve this exactly using no calculators because we don't need that. 1 over root 3 divided by 2 over root 3. I'm going to use a property called cube.